above. How could I forget? Picture you all done, with a knife in your hand and a chocolate cake, a candle in your face. A different man stood in my place. And I'd break my legs in half, throw my arms away, just to celebrate you back on your special day. I miss you and happy birthday. Yesterday, just to give it to a stranger. I wrote you a line just to melt it in a fire. I sleep beside the ashes every night, and I'd break my neck in half, skin away, just to celebrate you back